Time to open another one, baby. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today's video is brought to you by... No, I'm just joking. We don't have any sponsors. But I mean, if you would like to, you know, I got no problem with that. But to the point. Today, what we've got is a new part from Mountune Performance, and it's something that I've been looking into for a little bit now. Pretty much like once I knew I was getting the RS, this is the one mod that I wanted because of I'm very big on like shift feel, drivability, and I think, you know, at least in my opinion, power is secondary if you don't like the way your vehicle drives. So the way the vehicle drives is really, really good. But I just wish the shifts were a little bit cleaner and not as chunky as they are. So let's get to it. So I did open it up ahead of time because I was a little bit excited. But you know, I repackaged it so you guys can get the full effect. And I must say, this is probably the nicest packaging that I've ever seen for a component coming from a part supplier. I would say ever. So as you see, right off the bat, you have in color, clear, precise directions for the install, which will be coming in another video. And here we have it, the Mountune short throw kit. This thing is in there too. I probably should have just left it out. Yo, this styrofoam packaging is no joke, bro. So not only is it a molded fit, but they also have the Mountune M in there. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but yeah, it's a nice little touch on the other half. So as I mentioned, you have your install directions. You have the quick shifter. All right, so in the car, it'll be oriented like this, replacing your OEM shifter. And you have a solid pin, which will help in the installation because there is a rolled steel pin guide that goes in here, and not this one, but the one that's in the vehicle will sit like that. So you use this one to knock out the existing one, which you will then put back in once this is in place. This is going to be heavier than your OEM one. The OEM one is the cast aluminum. Well, this one is anodized aluminum, but then these weights right here are solid stainless steel. So just the weight alone here should improve the way it feels as the car is shifting. All of the videos and research and everything that I've watched, the comments, feedback, yada yada yada, everything has been, it doesn't decrease the shift so much that it completely changes the way the car feels, but it makes the shifting that much smoother because of the counterweights. I had also bought a 2,000 kilogram weighted short shifter when Joe and I went to Subi Fest from Billet Works. So that combined with these two kind of beefy things should really improve the way the car drives. Yeah, so this has been something that I've been looking forward to getting since I found the RS and since I ordered it. This is gonna drastically help the shift feel. I I'm not a big fan of the shift feel. It's very engaging. It's very, you know, gives you a lot of feedback. But I think it's just slightly bit too clunky for my personal preference. The first thing that I've typically done in every car that I've gotten has been to adjust the drive feel. Whether it's too short, too long, too loose, too tight. I typically try to get the drivability of the car dialed in to what I want, to what I enjoy, because then following that, the power becomes less and less of an issue. And then if you need to, you can always go back and dial in your suspension a little bit more, dialing your steering a little bit more. But this is going to be the first step. So that'll be that. So that'll wrap that up on this. Not too long. As always, Wrench Daily.